It's been 2 years since I laid my Swisstrax Ribtrax Pro flooring in here, and it is time to clean under it. It is disgusting. So start at your right side, wherever your garage door is, and pull up there. I had the tool from Obsessed Garage that enables you to pluck these, but you could just grab it with some like hognose pliers. 4 wide was kind of heavy, so let's do 3. But use some of these like cardboard shims to keep this thing from dropping back in and locking. So just have something to keep that popped up so that you could pull it out in one piece, because if not, it'll drop back and lock and you'll be fighting it. This probably would be a lot easier with 2 people. Just keep popping those in, as you can see I'm doing there. Get this last piece up, it'll let me push it away. Yep, see how the gap's there? Three is much easier to handle than 4. I have 3 more, probably 2 more sections of 3. 1, 2, 3, a 3 and a 2, because I'm leaving all this heavy stuff in. But it is nasty. And I also wanted to do this to check the condition of my concrete. I did some patchwork a while ago. Looks like it's holding up fine, but I do get a lot of water in here, but you can see it's really not doing any damage. I have a concrete sill around the sides. We'll come back when I get this all lifted up, see how bad it is. So I'm severely out of shape. So sorry for the heavy breathing. You can see all the water over there. It's one of the things I hated about before I had Swisstrax. If car would have snow melt, or if I would do any even rinseless washing in here or any water at all, along through there it would create kind of puddling effect, and I'd have to always be walking through it with my shoes. If I was doing any detailing in here, it'd stay wet forever. Yeah, I'd try to squeegee it out. But with the Swisstrax, this is all underneath the grid. You are not actually ever touching it. You could kneel on the floor when you're washing a car, and the main water would be underneath the grid. But the short hognose pliers and the cardboard shim actually worked really, really well. But I will be doing a lot of cussing and sweating and heavy breathing when I try to put this back in. But we'll come back in a little bit. Some people might wonder how much power an Active 2.0 has. A couple extension wands on here with a 40-degree tip. Let's see how this does. You can see over there where the water pulls up. So I will, as I'm spraying, I'll start squeegeeing that out. Yes, it's going to go into the driveway on top of the Swisstrax, but I'll blow the Swisstrax off, drag it in, and we should be okay. I'm going to have a mess in the driveway when I'm done, but it's coming along pretty good. I just sprayed that section off. We'll pull it in here, start reassembling the floor. It's pretty easy. Just make sure you come in on top of the existing one. That way you can push it over and just snap it in. But took some spraying to get all that gunk that was stuck to the floor, and that was funny. It was in the exact same pattern as the Swisstrax. I'm going to try to do less washing in here. I'll do most of my washing, rinsing in the driveway, come in, maybe do rinseless washing, which uses a lot less water. But thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them below. I love engaging with all of my viewers. Have a great day.